Hello, YouTube! This is Unmasked Tuxedo. Welcome to Part 1 of Unified English Braille Video 4. Both this video and the next one are about numerals. The number sign changes letters into numerals. Only the lowercase letters from A to J may follow the number sign to represent digits. Since the word A means 1, as you learned in Part 1 of Video 1, the cell for the letter A represents the digit 1 when it follows the number sign. The cell for the letter B has two dots, dot 1 and dot 2. Therefore, when it follows the number sign, it represents the digit 2. The C cell stands for the digit 3. The D cell stands for the digit 4. The E cell stands for the digit 5. The F cell stands for the digit 6. G means 7, H means 8, I means 9, and J means 0. In addition to the letters from A to J, the comma cell, the period cell, the ST cell, and the cell with dot 5 are permissible after the number sign. Everything after the number sign is in numeric mode. The space cell, the capital sign, and the letter sign are also permissible in numeric mode, but using any of them will terminate numeric mode. No other cells are permissible in numeric mode. Therefore, using any of them will terminate numeric mode automatically. Here are 6 examples of usage of the number sign. The first example is the numeral 1999, which has no cells other than the ones for digits after the number sign. Both the second example and the third example are the numeral 10,000, one instance with a space and the other with a comma. The fourth example is a price, $49.95. The dollar sign is not a numeral. Therefore, the number sign goes after the dollar sign. In numeric mode, the period represents the decimal point. The fifth example is a fraction, 2/3. In numeric mode, the ST cell represents the fraction bar. Finally, the sixth example requires 2 number signs because it has a hyphen. The hyphen terminates numeric mode automatically. Hence the second number sign, which resumes numeric mode. This is the end of Part 1. Stay tuned for Part 2, in which I will cover the proper usage of the letter sign, which allows the use of letters with numerals. Until then, this is Unmasked Tuxedo, signing off.